See, I'm a big 8 today. Big 8. Bag number.
Bag number?
Huh?
What's his eyes, isn't it?
Oh, is that girl from Claws?
What's his eyes?
Oh!
Demon.
Today's shout out is for, so this is what she put. She put, oh, so cute. And then the other shout out is for doing so well, Jacob. So thank you for whoever that was. So that's our 2 shout outs. So if you want a shout out, all you have to do is like, comment, put the notification bell on, follow me on Instagram.
We're not doing very well with this, are we?
And hit the bell and comment when you have done. So please add on. So this says only kids are only allowed to open this. No adults allowed. That's close. Look under your work house phone. My work house phone. My work house. Look in a computer room, please. Take it. Come.
This is going to take you all over this house.
It's going to take me all over the app.
Yeah.
I bet it is. I can't really just go upstairs. Like, do you wish there was an elevator?
Elevator.
Yeah, like lift. Look in your new cupboard. Where's my new cupboard?
Your new cup.
My new cup. I thought it said new cupboard. I ain't got a cupboard. Something, guys.
Thank you.
New cup. No, in the other silly. Back on the table, made under some cloth. Maybe on some cloth. Look in Steph's pocket. Pocket, please. I think there's something. Can I have it, please?
Check my pocket then.
Right, stand up for me.
Frisker.
I can hear it. I can hear it. Not there. Not there. Yeah? No. Where is it, Steph? Where is it, Steph? Where is it, Stephanie? Dad, where is it?
It's this pocket somewhere.
I think I can feel
Oh.
I think I can feel it. Ah!
Got dizzy yet?
Ah!
Say, Steph, can you stand still, please?
Stand still, please. You
No.
got found out. Got it. Look in your trains.
Trainers.
Trainers?
It's good reading, huh? Good reading.
Which train is this one? Look in the sink.
Well done.
Which sink? Take 1. This is the Toys in Me range. Take 2. Take 2.
I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll make this little bit here, the bit that goes really quick.
Hello JK Squad. So today we are going to be doing a 24-hour challenge in the car with some schools. So like first lesson is handwriting. We're going to pass you over to the cameraman in just a moment. So thank you for 107 subscribers. I wish you liked some more, but if you can tell your friends and family, like come and see Grown Up Jacob, and